Next is problem number 6, is to factor completely this expression. So as you notice, this can be factored using factoring by grouping. Saon siya, kinahanglan ta nato i-group ning mga terms such that pag-group nato, ma-factor nimo siya. So, kung tanawon nato ang expression, kaning x squared plus 2x plus 1 mo ni ato ang first group. X squared plus 2x plus 1, this would be our first group since this is a perfect square trinomial. So, unsa may factor ani? So, this is just x plus 1 quantity square. So, that is x plus 1 quantity square minus y square. So, we have here a difference of 2 square. So, ma-factor na nato siya. So, the difference of 2 square, so ang factor is x plus 1 plus y times x plus 1 minus y. So, this is now the factor of this expression.